Hey, what's up guys on YouTube? It is Fortnite Boss here, and today we're going to be doing a review of an Acer Chromebook. But first off, make sure to drop a like on this video because I'm actually giving away a ton of V-Bucks in my V-Buck giveaway live stream on my channel. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure to drop a like on it and do !coins in the chat if you'd like to enter the giveaway. So yeah, let's get right into this. So basically, I got this laptop for free because I live on my own. And because of COVID, there's no schooling. So basically, I just got sent the cheapest laptop they have because I'm on government support, I guess. So I live on my own and I'm only 18 and I'm still in high school. So they just sent me this. So it's an Acer Chromebook 11. And here are the specs. Actually decent specs because this is probably only about $250, I'm pretty sure. Or if you're in the United States, I'm pretty sure this is like only $200. So yeah, but I got this for free, and it's the only free thing I've got in a long time because I don't have parents, so I should get it for free, to be honest. Because a lot of people get stuff for Christmas and such, but I don't. Anyways, that's why I got it for free. What kind of seal is this? Okay, it's kind of weird to open. It's not actually, in a sec. I'm trying to do this while holding a crappy, oh, it's actual cardboard. It's like cardboard, right there, if you guys can see. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I can't put the camera down when I'm making an unboxing video. Everybody's probably already disliked. Please don't dislike, guys. I need likes. I'm trying to make a YouTube career. Oh, there we go. I don't know why they make it like that. It's kind of whack. There we go. Like, what? They make you actually cut into the box. Look. Like, I wasn't just, being special there. It was actually making me do that. Okay, so this is what we got on the inside. And I assume these are some cables. Please excuse my nails, guys. I actually don't have nail clippers and I lost this little thing that this lady gave me. So I've just been like, you know, doing it the other way. Trimming your nails. You guys can comment that in the description. You guys obviously know that, like, finding your nails. But here we go. We got the manual right here. So this is gonna be pretty. This is actually sick. I'm actually hyped. Like, I've never had a laptop before. This is gonna be my first laptop too, basically. Wow. Okay. Oh, it has a nice, kind of like cheap microfiber cloth that it's wrapped in. Oh, I hope I didn't just break it. Okay. Ooh, that's nice feeling. That feels nice. That feels high quality. Let's do this with one hand. I'm on a crappy Android right now, guys. Sorry, I can't afford an Apple like most of you guys. I live on my own. Like I said before. So this is the back of it, obviously. This is a Huawei I'm on right now, guys, too. Huawei. Worst phone ever. Ooh. This actually looks nice. Wow. Okay. This is actually nice. And apparently this is actually faster than we have these really crappy laptops at school that are horrible. They are Dell. They're like the base model Dell. They have a mobile processor in them, so they're practically rendered unusable if you have more than one application running. And it can't be processor intensive, or else the laptop will just crash, the Dell laptop. But these actually have a faster processor. The Dell laptops were rated tree trunk, 1.1 gigahertz, and they're rated tree trunk when I benchmarked them, and these have a 1.7 gigahertz processor, and they're cheaper, I'm pretty sure, than the Dell laptops. So I'm pretty sure a lot of schools, if there's any new ones being built, they're gonna get in some Chromebooks instead of those, I hope instead of those crappy Dell laptops they're just horrendous. But let's get this open. Gosh, being kind of rough with that, but wow, this reminds me a lot of the Dell laptop. Like, this is the exact same size, and this is like almost identical to an actual Dell lap. This actually looks like exactly like a Dell laptop when I just opened it. Wow, this looks just like a Dell laptop, but better. It looks way more modernized. The screen is actually way more black. It's a black panel. It isn't an IPS panel on a Dell laptop, the cheapest model Dell laptop. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can boot it on. Let's see. Might have to charge it a bit first. This has been sitting for a long time, I guess. Oh, okay. Yeah, it will not turn on. I guess I gotta plug it in, obviously, and charge it, because this has probably been sitting in a factory for a long time. It was manufactured in 2019, it says on the box, so it was manufactured a long time ago. But yeah, so we got it. If you guys want to see a video of this on, leave a comment. If anybody comments that you want to see a video of me actually trying to use this, I will do that for sure. So just leave a comment, guys, if you want to see that. I'll charge this and get this running. Oh, this is actually that's actually nice. Pretty sure that is it's a nice material. This feels really really sturdy compared to a Dell laptop. So I'm just so used to working on those, because with the other laptops I've worked on. Okay, well, that's that. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It's been my first laptop unboxing. I mean, I've enjoyed this, and now I'm gonna get this turned on, and hopefully it runs and loads Microsoft Teams well, so I can do my schoolwork on it. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to drop a like and stay tuned on my channel. A lot of good stuff coming. Peace, guys.